Hello everyone, in this video we have been given 8a square minus 12ab plus 9b square plus 12a plus 9 equal 0. Now we are going to find the value of a plus b plus 3ab. Answer: 8 square minus 12ab plus 9b square plus 12a plus 9 equal 0. 8 square equal 4 square plus 4 square. Then we get 4 square plus 4 square minus 12ab plus 9b square plus 12a plus 9 equal 0. Then 4 square minus 12ab plus 9b square plus 4 square plus 12a plus 9 equal 0. Then 2a whole square minus 2 into 2a into 3b plus 3b whole square plus 2a whole square plus 2 into 2a into 3 plus 3 whole square equal 0. A minus b whole square equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we get 2a minus 3b whole square plus 2a plus 3 whole square equal 0. Hence 2a minus 3b whole square and 2a plus 3 whole square gives always positive value. The sum of two positive number is 0. It is possible only when each term of left hand side will be 0. That is 2a minus 3b whole square equal 0. Then 2a minus 3b equal 0 and 2a plus 3 whole square equal 0. Then 2a plus 3 equal 0. 2a equal minus 3. Then a equal minus 3 divided by 2. Then 2 into minus 3 divided by 2 minus 3b equal 0. 2 cancel, then minus 3 minus 3b equal 0. Minus 3b equal 3, then b equal 3 divided by minus 3, then b equal minus 1, then a equal minus 3 divided by 2 and b equal minus 1. Now a plus b plus 3ab equal minus 3 divided by 2 minus 1 plus 3 into minus 3 divided by 2 into minus 1, then equal LCM 2, then minus 3 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 9 divided by 2 equal minus 5 divided by 2 plus 9 divided by 2 equal LCM 2, then 5 plus 9 divided by 2, then equal 4 divided by 2, then equal 2, then a plus b plus 3ab equal 2. Thus, our answer a plus b plus 3ab equal 2.